Today we learn new lesson, exercise 4, chapter number 4, time series, exercise 4.1. Sum number first, the information about the capacity in lakh tons to load ship at a port each year is given below. Find a linear trade using graphical method. Now in this questions आप लोगों को years and कैपेसिटी दी है. ईयर 2008 to 2015, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and capacity given in lakh tons: 90, 97, 108, 111, 127, 148, 169 and 200. Okay, now this sum is we are going to take a graph. Okay, ये सम पूरा एक ग्राफ पे होगा जो आप लोगों ने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में सीखा होगा ग्राफ बनाना. फर्स्ट वी मेक टू लाइन, एक्स एक्सिस एंड देन वाई एक्सिस. ओके, एक्स एक्सिस वी आर गोइंग फॉर टाइम. टाइम इज जो यहाँ पे ईयर दिए ना 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, उसको हम लोग इंडिकेट करेंगे टाइम से. फर्स्ट ईयर इंडिकेट बाय 1, देन सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6, 7 and 8. So year is converted in the times: first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth and seventh year. So time is given in this graph: first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we are indicate x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. Okay, then in this question capacity given in tons 90 to maximum is 200. So we are going y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 lakh ton. Okay, so we started from 0 to this one is connected directly. We are starting from 90. So 90 plus 10, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. Okay, now we are going to start point out in this first year capacity is 90. Okay, so in the first year capacity 90, we are pointed here and round and circle it. Okay, first 90 is clear. Then in second year the capacity is 97, so we are going to second year and 90, then 91, 92 and 93. Okay, so 97. In this graph there is 5 row is given, so one row is considered 2 points. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and in this between there is a 97. So point here and circle it. Okay, then third year is 108. So third year point it here, point and circle it. Then fourth year 111. So fourth year 111, 10 plus in between the first row. Then fifth year 127. Then fifth year we are going to 127, point and circle it. Then next one is 148. Okay, so 6th year 148. Then next year is 169, 7 year is 169 and 8 year is 200. So we put up here 200. Okay, then we joined them point with scale and pencil. First year, second year to third year to fourth year to fifth to sixth to 7 to 8. Okay, so this type arrow is clear in this one. And in next time next step is taking t on x axis and y on y axis. The point 1 to 90 is given already. We are going to have our point plotted on the graph paper. Joining this point seriously by straight lines. Okay, the curve of the गिवन टाइम सीरीज इज ऑब्टेन एज फॉलोज। तो आप लोग का ऐसा कर्व मिला होगा, राइट। देन मैक्सिमम पॉइंट कवर हो सके ऐसी स्ट्रेट लाइन आप लोग को ड्रॉ करनी है, ये वाली, दैट इज ट्रेंड। ओके, सो ये लाइन आप लोग कोई कैसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, बट मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स कवर होने चाहिए जो भी ईयर दिया है उसके। सो डायरेक्टली पेंसिल से ये लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है आप लोग को, ट्रेंड। दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल लाइन जो हम लोगों ने वाई के हिसाब से ड्रॉ की थी, एंड दिस इज कवर द ट्रेंड लाइन बाय कवरिंग द मोस्ट ऑफ द points. Okay, your sum is completed.